have just finished the second European Consensus Workshop on Education in Periodontology. The discussions during these days have defined the future of education in periodontology for the next decades.
We have in this workshop a vast teaching experience from experts from all over Europe who have dedicated their lives to teach and to drive the learning of their students.
We run workshops on an annual basis, and these are key for us to synthesise the available evidence and disseminate it to the world. We're delighted to have experts from all around the world come here to the workshop, and we're working in collaboration with ADEE, the Association for Dental Education in Europe.
I would like to thank Dentaid for their support on the Consensus Workshop on Education in Periodontology. It's not only the undergraduate education, but also the postgraduate education. And I think that is the connection that we have as EFP and our partner, that we find each other.
For us, education means everything, and here we are dealing with the framework of the future of the experts.
This is an organization within the dental disciplines that are working very good with high quality, just like a family.
I would like to thank David as the chairman of the workshop committee and all the members of the workshop committee for staging this fantastic event. The outcomes of this workshop will be published in the Journal of Clinical Periodontology in 2024, and they are set to shape the content, methods of learning, training, and evaluation that will be followed by universities and teaching organizations in the world.
The European Federation of Periodontology thanks the efforts of the workshop chairs, the reviewers, and all the participants during the days of this workshop.